Hi everyone, this video will show you how to install RANCHecker for Houdini. Go to ranchcomputing.com, Resources menu, RANCHsync and RANCHecker. Select RANCHsync for your operating system and RANCHecker for Houdini. The tools are also available in the 3D software menu, Houdini. Click on Prepare My Project and download RANCHecker to be able to create an archive of your project and RANCHsync to download the computed files. On your computer, click on the zip archive of RANCHecker and copy the HDA file. Open the Houdini preferences location according to your version. For example, for Houdini 19.5, open Documents/Houdini 19.5/OTLS folder and paste RANCHecker_Houdini.HDA file. If the OTLS folder does not exist, create it. Open Houdini, go to the Task tab, and create a topnet node if it doesn't exist. Then create a RANCHecker node inside the topnet. Now your scene is set to create an archive. On the RANCHecker parameters, choose the compute mode, render for images and the associated ROP, or simulation for caches and the associated ranch_cache nodes. Next, click on Collect Files and then on Build Archive. A VH archive is created and ready to be uploaded. Finally, go to your account on ranchcomputing.com, click on New Project, create the project, choose the priority, and drag and drop the VUH in the Upload section. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and see you soon on ranchcomputing.com.